What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. We're coming back to you again on the 2010 Nissan Altima. We're gonna go ahead and change the cabin air filter on this thing, man. It smells absolutely terrible in here. When I turn the air on and the heat and stuff like that, it just smells awful. All you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver and some patience, man, for real. Let's get right into it, man. I think all we're gonna need for this is a Phillips. And let's start taking this off here. So we're gonna do this. So just to recap, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 2 in the center, 1, 2, and then 3 down here. This one, 1, that's 2, 3. The cabin air filter needs to go, man. Needs to go. I know it's gonna look terrible, so don't laugh, don't judge me. All right. Let me take all this stuff out of here, my tags. I'm gonna do the flex pipe too, so that's what that's for. I don't know how much this camera's capturing, so this is just gonna be trial and error. Hopefully it's catching all the good stuff, you know what I mean? Hopefully you guys are being able to see. You know, I took these off, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see about, there's 2 in here. That's 1 more. Just take all the Phillips off. All of the Phillips screws. I believe there's 8 of them. That's another one. Better be recording this. Here goes another one here. So total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, so it's 8 total. And this whole thing should come down. Let's see. So just to recap, 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 2 in the center, 1, 2, and then 3 down here. Okay guys, yeah, taking this piece makes it much easier. All right, take that off. And this thing just slides out like that. Oh my God. This thing is gonna be dirty, bro. I can already see it. Yuck. Let me unplug these 2 wires right here. Do we have to? If we don't have to, man, forget it. Now they say that it's all the way back here in here. You guys see that? That little tab. Pull that up. And that comes off. Okay. Pull this off. All right. And then you should be able to get to the filter. You see it back there? Yes, indeed. Let's pull that out. I know it's gonna look really ugly, but oh my God. You guys have never seen nothing like this. What the fuck? Holy shit. What the fuck? Yo, this joint has never been replaced, ever. Oh my Goodness gracious. That's nasty, bro. Get the vacuum. Ugh. Have you ever seen, it looks like a, wow. Let's try to clean up a little, you know. Gotta put the vacuum back here. Let's try to collect anything up. That's terrible. I didn't know it was that bad. If it starts to smell really bad in your car, like if it smells like oil or like you just get really bad smells, check your cabin air filter. That should be good enough. Yeah guys, so this is what it should look like. All right. This is what it should look like. Okay. And this is what I had in mind. So I should put this one back in, right? I'm pretty sure the airflow comes in this way. So I'm gonna put it, see how I'm putting it? I'm gonna drop it in like that because it's sideways. It's easier if you take this off, man. So if you want, take these two wires. That'll give you full view of what's happening. So, you kind of like have to squeeze this thing together, man, because really the hole for this thing is like super tiny. I mean, all jokes aside, you really have to crunch that thing down, okay? It's not just gonna fit super easy in there. You have to push that thing in there. Ow, camera. Cool. There we go. You push it in and it kind of like opens up once it's in there. And we're just gonna put our cover back on. All right, remember the tab goes at the bottom. Okay, so it just pops in there. Boom, it clicked. These are very self-explanatory. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna install this thing right back in here, just the way it came out. See these clips here? This one goes here, and this one should go here. So that'll start lining it up for you. All right. And then you got one down here that goes there. So just try to put those in, and this one. There you go. See how it just slid in? Slides into position. We're gonna start putting these Phillips back. Yeah, this is a very simple job. Man, I did not know that filter was that bad. That's it. New cabin air filter. Should smell a lot better in there.